Hey Fall Creek After School, it's Amanda, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make 3 really cool DIY bird feeders that you can make at home. First up, we have a popsicle stick house bird feeder. For this feeder we will need a few materials: popsicle sticks, scissors, some ribbon, some wild bird seed, some tape, and a hot glue gun. So first I'm going to line up around 10 popsicle sticks for the base of my house, and I'm going to make sure they are nice and even. And then I'm going to take a piece of clear packing tape and tape them down to whatever surface I'm working on. It's best to do this on a craft tablecloth or something you don't mind getting dirty. Then I am going to glue 2 popsicle sticks horizontally at the top and the bottom of this base with a dot of hot glue at each corner. I'm also going to do the same thing with 2 popsicle sticks going vertically. I'm going to continue layering popsicle sticks like this until I have a structure that is about 5 popsicle stick layers high on each side. When you're done with this step, it should look like this. Then I'm going to wrap the tape I put on earlier around the base and then add some additional tape to make sure that the bottom is nice and sturdy. Next, I'm going to start gluing 4 popsicle sticks on the outside of the base with a hot glue gun by gluing 2 sticks on the ends of the 2 opposite sides. So when you're done with the base, it should look like this. Now that the base is done, we can move on to the roof. For the roof, I evenly lined up 12 colorful popsicle sticks. Remember, you don't have to stick to this color pattern. And I glued a purple stick horizontally on the top and bottom, connecting all of the lined up sticks. I did this process twice since we need 2 panels for the roof. Now, to connect the roof panels, I hot glued 2 purple popsicle sticks together by gluing one of the sticks' edge and then forming a 90-degree angle with the other one. Now you can use this to connect each panel by hot gluing the outside of each purple stick and placing it at the top of each of the roof panels. So when you're done, the roof should look like this. Now I'm going to add a drop of hot glue on the top of each of the popsicle sticks sticking up from the base. And then I'm going to gently place the roof on top so it looks like this. Finally, we need a perch for this house so that birds have a place to sit while they eat. And to do this, I lined up 3 popsicle sticks and glued another horizontally across to connect them. Now, with an adult's help, you're going to use your scissor to cut half of your 3 sticks and then the part of your horizontal one that is sticking out. And now you just have to hot glue it to the bottom of your house. Now we'll just add a ribbon so that it can hang, and then I'm all done. This next feeder is a little bit simpler. You will need some Cheerios, some pipe cleaners, and some string. So this feeder is pretty self-explanatory. You just have to put the Cheerios onto the pipe cleaner and then mold it into whatever shape you want. I chose to shape mine into a heart, a star, and a circle. Then I'm going to use some ribbon to connect them together and then add some twine at the end to use as a hanging string. Finally, this last bird feeder is a bit messy, so make sure you have some sort of tablecloth for this one. You will need a toilet paper roll, some ribbon or string, a popsicle stick, a scissor, some wild bird food, some Cheerios, a hot glue gun, sun butter or peanut butter or any other type of nut butter, and a large tray. First, I'm going to take my toilet paper roll and put a mark on each side where I want my perch to go. It is important to try to get these marks to be even on each side so the stick goes straight through. Then, with an adult's help, you need to poke 2 holes with the scissor and then push your popsicle stick through and then remove it for later. Next, we will pour some seed and some cereal onto our tray. And then we're going to coat the entire outside of the toilet paper roll with sun butter. Once it is completely covered, we can roll it in our seed and cereal mixture. I'm also going to pour some extra seed on top to fill in any gaps until there's almost no sun butter showing. Then we're going to add our perch back into the toilet paper roll. If you have trouble finding the holes, it's helpful to look on the inside of the tube. Finally, we're going to hot glue a ribbon to the top inside of our toilet paper roll, and then we're finished. So these are what our finished bird feeders should look like. I hope you guys enjoy!